This thing's seen better days. Come on, open up. All right, let's see what's inside. All right, that one's loose. Now printing out the next one. All right, marking this cut line. Perfect, now to cut it. Cut's done, looks solid. The floor is prepped. Now it's time to lay down the adhesive for the new flooring. The vintage bus interior has seen better days, but with a little elbow grease, we're making it home. The new flooring is going down surprisingly smoothly. You need to press it firmly at first to make sure it adheres, and then work it outwards to blend the edges properly. You just need to get a nice even coat over everything. No drips, that's the key. Just smooth passes. Okay, this space has potential. We can put the kitchen over here and maybe a seating area by the windows. Okay, that one goes there. Nope, wrong one. This one. Yeah. The next step is to remove the insulation from the wire using your stripping pliers. Ensure the wire gauge matches the pliers' teeth. All right, the wires are through. Now just need to align this and twist it into place. There we go. I've got to cover the whole floor in here before I can start with the walls, or I'll just be painting over wet paint. Just got to keep at it. There, that's secure now. Looks good from this angle. Now for the next step. Okay, connecting the hot wire now. Just need to secure this ground connection. There we go, that should do it. There we go, all set. Let's get you cleaned up. There, much better. All right, time to hit the road. Engine sounds good. This road is beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah, it's amazing. So green.
I love how the trees frame the sky.
Perfect day for a drive.
This drive is absolutely beautiful, isn't it? I love how the trees just fly by. Nothing beats the open road and this view. So glad I took this trip.